I started to paint in the beginning, you know, and I wanted to do something to make people that work here in the office, that come here every single day, and they put their love for Pablo Air, to give them a sort of like, with my painting, when they see it, they think of the moment that they passed with me. Working in such a dynamic atmosphere because there's things going on and there's an excitement of new technology and new ideas, and I think people are happy to come here because there's something happening.